Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our 21st day of online school. I saw some of you yesterday in our virtual classroom, and I look forward to seeing a few of you in our group classroom today. But as always, let's get started with our morning routine, starting off with our calendar. And we're going to start off with our days of the week. We see that today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Friday. Let's do our days of the week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job, boys and girls. Excuse me. We're going to continue on. We see that we know that we have 7 days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And let's move on up to our month. We are in the month of April. That is our 4th month of the year. And let's go on down. How many months do we have in the whole year? 12, correct. Now let's go ahead and say those 12. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job, boys and girls. Alrighty, going to move on up. We're doing our year. We're in the year of 2020. And now let's do our date. So, yesterday was the 15th. If yesterday was the 15th, that means today will be the 16th. And what will our pattern be? We started off with a boot, umbrella, boot, umbrella, boot. So we should see 16 and a boot. Let's see if we were right. Yay! We were correct. Sorry for that glare. And so we know that if yesterday was the 15th, today is the 16th, tomorrow will be the 17th. So hopefully we'll be right with that. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and do our calendar count. Make sure we use our cardinal numbers. That means that we're like in a race, like first, second, third. And we're going to start off with first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, and 16th. Moving right along with our month. Alrighty, we are in the season of spring. And for the weather, I want you to look outside your window and go ahead when you do your attendance and type in the weather you see when you look out your window. Alrighty, let's just review our digraphs. We haven't done this in a little bit. And we know we use our TH digraph when we do our calendar count. The TH together makes the sound, like in thumb. We have the SH that makes the sh sound, like in shoe and shine. We have our WH with our W asking all the questions. H says nothing, and so it makes a W sound, as in whale. And then we have our CH sound, those two icy mountain climbers that catch a cold, and they say ch, like in chipmunk or in cheese. Good job, boys and girls. We'll be using those as we do more writing as the year goes on. Alrighty, we're moving up to our 100 board. We count to 100 every day so that we can be really comfortable with our numbers. And when we count on our 100 board, we use regular counting numbers. So let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Great counting, boys and girls. So now let's count by 10. And for those that were on the phone on our virtual class yesterday, we learned that counting by tens is a lot easier. And we know that because we get to 100 a lot easier when we count it by tens. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Also, we can count by fives. And when we count by fives, we use our pink and our blue numbers. And we start with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job, boys and girls. And just so you know, when we go down, especially when we do our tens on a 100 board, every number is 10 numbers away. Even if I started at 6, I go to 6 and then 16, 6 plus 10 equals 16. If I start with 4 and I added 10, that would be 14. So every time I go down on my 100 chart, I'm adding 10. Not just on our blue numbers, but on my numbers that are not marked, even on my pink numbers, I would be adding 10. All right, we're moving up to our words to know row. And we're going to start with make, play, for, go, be, will, find, this, how, is, now, are, you, what, my, with, come, me, to, a, see, and, the, I, like, we, like, I, the, and, see, a, to, me, come, with, my, what, you, are, now, is, how, this, find, will, be, go, for, play, make. Good job, boys and girls. Our words to know are the words that we should know how to spell. Other words we can sound out, but these words we just need to know. Alrighty, today we will continue with lesson 22. We'll read Leo the Late Bloomer again and ask some questions about the story. We're focused on how do the parts of a story work together. So we're looking at the story structure. That means the characters, the setting, what's the problem, how did the characters solve the problem. So we'll be analyzing and evaluating. We'll be going over our words to know, said and good. Our letters for this lesson are X as in X and J as in J. We'll be blending and segmenting. Also today we'll take a look at our antonyms, and we will be working on pronouns they, it, and I. All right, it's time for you to go ahead over and look at your Google slides, making sure you know your letters and your sounds. Also fill in your attendance, fill in the weather, and take a guess at what hat I will be wearing for the letter I. And then check out Miss LaBerth, and then I'll meet you back at the reading table. Talk to you soon.